Welcome to Channeling to Learn. Today's topic, BODMAS or PEDMAS.
Welcome to Maths Mystery. Today, we're cracking the secret code of calculations. Without this code, you'll get the wrong answer every time. This code is called PEDMAS or BODMAS. Introducing PEDMAS. What is the code? It's the order of operations. It tells us what to do first. P is for parentheses or brackets. E is for exponents. We'll save those for later, but it's where the OS for order comes in for BODMAS. M and D are for multiplication and division. A and S are for addition and subtraction. Level 1, left to right, HS only. Start with the easy stuff. When you only have addition and subtraction, you simply work from left to right. Example 1.
12 minus 5 equals 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Left to right.
Level 2, MAD priority. Now, let's bring in multiplication and division. These are the stronger operations. They always go before addition and subtraction. Example 3, 6 plus 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8, 8 plus 6 equals 14. Example 4, a 10 divided by 5 plus 7 is equal to 9. Level 3, bossy brackets. The final mystery piece, parentheses or brackets. Think of them as bossy brackets. Whatever is inside the brackets must be done first, no matter what. Example 6, 30 divided by open parenthesis 3 plus 2 close parenthesis. Challenge. Time to test your skills. Pause the video and try this question. Please write your answer in the comments below. Well done! You've cracked the code. See you next time for more maths mysteries. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.